We have all been there. You have spent hours on a hard surface model. You apply your booleans and bevels, and then the client wants a change. In Vanilla Blender, that usually means hitting undo 50 times or starting over because your topology is now a nightmare of triangles and overlapping edges. This is exactly why MESHmachine is considered the holy grail of mesh modeling. It is the original Swiss Army knife that introduced a level of reconstructive modeling that simply did not exist before. It turns what used to be a destructive one-way street into a flexible, editable process. The core power of MESHmachine lies in its ability to manipulate existing geometry that has already been baked. For example, the fuse and unfuse tools are absolute magic. If you have a bevel that is too wide or the wrong shape, you can actually unfuse it back to a hard edge, or turn a chamfer into a fillet and back again. It even handles variable fillets and washouts, which are notoriously difficult to do manually in Blender. You can essentially edit your bevels after they've been created, which is a massive paradigm shift for hard surface artists. Then there are the plugs. Think of these as high-fidelity decals but with actual physical geometry. You can take a complex mechanical detail, like a bolt, a vent, or a socket, and plug it directly into your mesh. MESHmachine handles the complex intersection and normal transfers for you, making the detail look like it was perfectly modeled into the surface. You can build your own library of plugs or use the ones included, allowing you to detail a massive sci-fi corridor or a robotic limb in minutes rather than hours. One of the most technically impressive features is the stash system. It allows you to save a state of your mesh or a specific face selection in the background without cluttering your scene. You can then reference these stashes later for things like normal transfers. If your shading gets wonky after a complex Boolean operation, you can just transfer the clean normals from your stashed version back onto the new geometry. This ensures perfectly flat, artifact-free surfaces even on the most complex topological intersections. Beyond that, it is packed with cleanup tools. The Boolean cleanup feature creates clean perimeter loops around intersections, making it easy to add offset bevels to your Booleans. It includes tools to flatten polygons based on others, straighten normals, and even symmetrize meshes, including their custom normal data. It's a deep, professional-grade toolkit that is constantly updated to keep pace with the latest Blender developments. It is fully compatible with Blender 4.2 all the way up to 5.0. While the $45 price tag might seem higher than your average add-on, it's important to remember that this tool replaces hours of tedious manual cleanup on every single project you work on. It is an investment in your sanity and your speed. If you are serious about hard surface design, MESHmachine isn't just a recommendation, it is a requirement. It changes the way you think about 3D modeling and gives you the freedom to experiment without the fear of breaking your mesh. It is a brilliant bit of kit that stays in my sidebar for every single project.